In this video, we're going to talk about Atlas Credit Card Review. Is it still worth it? Of course, there are multiple cards called Atlas, but this review is about the Atlas Reward Credit Card and Atlas Card from Atlas Financial. Of course, the Atlas card is a credits built-in reward card made for people who may have limited or no credit history. It basically offers higher approval chances, 0% APR, no transaction interest charges, cashback rewards, credit tracking tools, subscription managers, and MasterCard network access. Atlas says the card has membership fees of $9 every 4 weeks or $90 per year if paid annually. So the main benefit of this card is accessibility. Atlas is designed for people who may struggle to get approval for traditional credit cards. The app listing says it offers 4x higher approval rates than traditional credit cards. And basically, it allows its users to connect bank accounts to help determine a safe spending limit. Also, it has a zero APR, no foreign transaction fee, no late fee listed by Wallet Hub, and cashback reward from 0 to 5% depending on eligibility and merchants. But what is the downside then? So, the membership fee is the biggest issue. Even though the annual fee is listed as $0, the credits still charge, as an example, a member fee if you pay every 4 weeks. That can cost more than a normal monthly subscription because there are 13 4 weeks period in a year. Atlas also says some users may see two membership, as an example, charges in the same calendar month because billing is every 4 weeks, not monthly. That means this card, as an example, may be expensive compared to free secured cards or starter credit cards. So basically, who is Atlas is best for? Atlas may be worth it, as an example, for you if you have a credit history or no credit history, if you keep getting denied by normal cards, if you want a card with no interest, and if you are okay paying the membership fee, and if you want an app based on credits built into. And it's probably not worth it if you can get a normal fee card and you qualify for a secured card with no monthly fee, if you don't want subscription style card costs, and if you only want rewards. So, yeah, uh, now it's your time to decide it's worth it for you or not, based on the information is provided. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.